Welcome back. Today I've got something really special for you. We're going to take a close look at the Shortstache X PolarPro Helix filter that combines a polarizer and a 1.5 black mist filter. Is it actually a fantastic tool that can elevate your photography and videography game? Let's talk about that. First up, let's talk about the packaging. PolarPro always does an amazing job with their presentation. The Helix filter comes in such a sturdy, sleek box that easily protects the filter. And for sure the filter itself feels solid and well made. If you want to adjust the polarizer, you can easily adjust it by rotating it, which makes it super easy for on-the-go productions. On top, the overall look of it is also really nice. I really like the greenish color of it because it actually stands out a little bit. And for sure this filter comes with high quality glass as well, and in combination with the 1.5 black mist filter it promises to create a dreamy look that I really like. I actually decided to buy the version with the 1.5 black mist filter because I wanted a more stylized effect, so the 1.5 black mist option was the best option here. If you just want the basic effect, the everyday filter is the way to go. But I also decided to buy the magnetic Helix version because in this case I can easily use it in combination with all my lenses, making it a perfect versatile filter to avoid any issues by switching lenses. In just a couple of seconds it's ready to use. But what's about the results? Well, the polarizer is fantastic for cutting down glare and reflections. What I really like is how easily it can be adjusted. By simply rotating it, you can quickly achieve the perfect shot. It's quick, efficient, and the results are stunning, offering great colors and reduced reflections that make your image pop. But what's about the 1.5 black mist filter? Well, this filter is all about creating that dreamy aesthetic. Basically it softens highlights and adds a halo effect around bright lights, making it a perfect filter for adding a beautiful diffusion that enhances the mood of any scene. In my opinion, it's especially great for portraits and low light shots where you want to add a bit of magic and atmosphere. And yes, after using this filter for several days now, I can say it has become an essential part of my gear. Whether I'm shooting landscapes, portraits or recording videos, this filter easily delivers great results and I don't want to miss it anymore. So if you want to enhance your photography or videography, I can absolutely recommend the Helix filter. For sure the Helix version is not the cheapest option, but in my opinion it offers a great value for its versatility and the quality of the results it produces. But yeah, what do you think about this filter? Let me know that in the comments. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.